Have you ever seen cinematic videos like these and wished you could make your own?
Ever wondered how bees turn flower nectar into honey? It starts when a bee sips sweet nectar and stores it in a special honey stomach. Back at the hive, she passes it mouth to other bees, who add enzymes that break it down. They pour it into wax cells and fan their wings to dry it out.
This honey explainer, the camera moves, the cross-sections, the music, the voiceover, was made entirely with AI. So by the end of this video, you'll know the exact workflow I use to build these from scratch. This is Vilva, an infinite canvas where every step lives as a connected node. Assets, clips, audio, and your final edit, all flowing into each other. No bouncing between a dozen tools. Let me walk you through it. The number one mistake almost everyone makes is jumping straight to generating video. Don't. The secret to consistent AI video is building your assets first. The reference images that guide every clip you'll generate. Get these right, and everything downstream falls into place. First, our main character, a honeybee, built as a 4-view character sheet. Why 4 views? Because when we animate, the AI needs to understand the character from every angle, exactly like a real animation studio builds a model sheet before they draw a single frame. This bee is the anchor for the entire video. Here's the actual prompt. I'm specifying the style, the cinematic lighting, and that I want all 4 views in one image. I'm using GPT Image 2 for this because it holds fine detail beautifully. Look at the fuzz on the body and the light through the wings. Next, the mechanism. The honeycomb itself, including a cross-section of a single cell, which is going to matter in a second. And the most important asset of all, a 9-panel storyboard. Think of it as a director's brief. Instead of hoping the AI figures out your story from one sentence, you show it the whole sequence, panel by panel. For a cinematic 3D look, I describe the camera angle in every panel, close-ups, cross-sections, pullbacks, and that's what gives the final clips their documentary feel. Now watch. Those asset nodes feed straight into the video stage. I'm not re-uploading anything or digging through folders. The references are already wired in. Here's where the canvas really earns its keep. Different shots need different models, so instead of switching tools, I just pick the right model for each clip, right here. Switch the node to video, choose your model from the drop-down, set your resolution and aspect ratio, and hit generate. That's the whole loop. Want a different look? Swap the model and run it again. Everything downstream stays wired up. Then the main clips, animated with Seedance 2.0. I use it because it generates up to 15 seconds at a time, and it's genuinely good at keeping a character consistent across every shot. And here's how I prompt these. Notice I'm walking the model through the shot second by second with timestamps. That timeline structure is what stops a 15-second clip from drifting. A video's only half finished without sound. On the audio node, I generated the score with Suno, warm and curious, building as the story builds, and the voiceover with ElevenLabs. Both live right here on the canvas, so I can preview them against the clips without exporting a thing. And finally, everything flows into the timeline editor. Intro first, then the 3 scenes in order, the voiceover laid underneath, and the music sitting just below it so the narration stays clear. This is the part that used to mean exporting everything and dragging it into a separate app. Here, it's just grouped together. So let's watch the finished result. That's a complete, polished, cinematic explainer. Characters, animation, music, and voiceover, built entirely with AI on one canvas without ever leaving the page. And the best part? This exact workflow works for any topic, in any style. Once you've got the flow, you can point it at anything. If you want to build your own, head to Vilva AI and start creating. I'll see you in the next one.